Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to fix your laptop Wi-Fi is yellow trend not working Wi-Fi. You can see here I connected the Wi-Fi but not working. This is problem the free antivirus. I have to remove this Avera antivirus. You can see it is expired the date and make the problem for Wi-Fi network connection. So first you have to remove this antivirus, any antivirus to your laptop, Avast, Avera, any antivirus free. You have to remove the antivirus because the antivirus expire it and then make the problem Wi-Fi and then not working. The Wi-Fi is coming the internet connected but is yellow trend. তো আপু কি করে? Okay guys, it is takes some time to remove the antivirus. Okay, done. And now you have to restart your computer. Okay, and after restart you do install another antivirus if you have. I have another antivirus also. I'm removing that. Just take time. You have to wait until finish. You can see it's done. And now you restart again. Restart your PC. Okay, after restart you see it's still not working. So now you go to the manage. You right click your computer and go to the manage and then go the device manager and go to the Wi-Fi network and uninstall the wireless network driver. Right click and go to the uninstall and then you restart again the computer. Restart your laptop. Okay, now I'm restarting. And after restart you can see now is antivirus remove and Wi-Fi auto reinstall driver, and you can see internet is connected and open the Google is working 100%, very good. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have problem like this you can fix it at home. Thank you.